Cookie, aus.
It's about 21 inches long, fully extended. Toy, kind of like a tug toy. This stretches, and there's all sorts of textures. So you got textures in the padding. These kind of feel like little bubbles or something like that. The legs have textures, all sorts of crinkling noises, and what have you. So I think this is going to be a fun toy. How durable this will be as a tug toy, I don't know, but I think pets will definitely enjoy this. Some dog toys just aren't meant to last. They're meant to be enjoyed and chewed up and what have you. But there's crinkles all the way around this dinosaur-looking thing, so I think this is going to be a hit.
Let me see your toy. Get it? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Don't pull on it. Be good to your toy. He's a good girl. Make it squeak. Squeak, squeak. Get your toy. Get it. Yeah.
You killed the parrot.